Hey everyone! In this guide, I'm going to show you how to create and manage dashboards in HubSpot using the full 2026 layout. Dashboards are one of the most powerful tools inside HubSpot because they let you see all your performance data in one clean view. So first, open your browser, go to hubspot.com, click Login, and sign into your account. Once your dashboard loads, we're ready to begin. From the top navigation bar, click Reports, then select Dashboards. This opens the main dashboards area where all saved dashboards live. To create a new one, click Create Dashboard. HubSpot will give you two choices: start from a pre-built template or use a blank dashboard if you want full control. If you choose a template, you'll see options for sales, marketing, service, or general business reporting. Pick the one that fits your goal and click Next. HubSpot will instantly generate a starter dashboard with useful reports already added. If you prefer to build from scratch, just choose the blank option instead. Now it's time to add reports. Click Add Report and select from your existing reports or create a brand new one using the report builder. Once a report is added, you can drag it around the screen and resize it to design your layout. You can also apply filters to your reports. For example, you can filter data by date range, deal owner, pipeline, or team. This helps you focus on the exact performance metrics you care about most. To control who can see your dashboard, click the Share button. You can keep the dashboard private, share it with selected users, or make it visible to everyone in your HubSpot account. This is great for managers, team leaders, and executives. If you ever need to update your dashboard, click the Actions menu at the top. From here, you can rename the dashboard, duplicate it, move it to another folder, or delete it completely. And that's it. That's how to create and manage dashboards in HubSpot using the 2026 setup. With the right dashboard in place, you always know how your business is performing at a glance. Thanks for watching.